Welcome to AI Finder Africa, and right here we want to show you guys how you can design any kind of flyer using AI. You don't have to stress yourself, you don't have to give yourself any crazy headache, or even walk up to an app like Canva and start designing a flyer. You want to design a flyer for your business, for any kind of store. Yes, you can get them done. All you have to do is just leverage on AI tools, and that's why we are here writing this tutorial. First things first, you cannot design any flyer as a pro without looking at the flyers that were being done by other people. So the first thing we're going to do right here is to go to Instagram, or we may not even go to Instagram. Let's just go to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome and then look out for, okay, a flyer. Let's just say a flyer by OPay. So let's say you want to design a flyer for a fintech, and then you went to Google to search for a flyer by OPay. What you need is a sample, right? What you need is a sample. So by leveraging on prompts, you can get amazing designs done in a second. All right, so this is a flyer from OPay, beyond banking. So what I will do is I will download the flyer. Download. I can see this. I'll download this flyer. All right. So the next step to take now is to go to Gemini. Okay, just a second. Before you go to Gemini, you can actually do one or two things. The content for your flyer, you have to get content. All right. So I am designing a flyer for Access Bank. So pitch their latest, uh, their latest upcoming, their latest fintech product, their latest fintech product called APay. Act like a professional uh, copywriter. Write a flyer copy that will be so magnetic. All right, so click on that. So let's see what's going to come up. This guy is literally going to write the copy, because you cannot design a flyer without a copy, right? You need a copy. So this is what it looks like. All right, so the call to action, everything is right here. So what I'll simply do is copy this and then go to Gemini. I'm sure you know Gemini. This is the AI tool from Google. So walk up to Gemini and then put the content right here on Gemini. And then simply do what you should do. Alright, so delete the rest of the prompt and then come up to say, I want to design a flyer with this content. Use these samples attached as an inspiration. So done. I would attach the inspirations. 1, 2. Now click on done. Then, so I think they are still loading. So I have to clear this part. So that has been done. So when it is done uploading, to let us know. So let's wait. One of the things that you must learn to do is to know the colors you want, right? So go back to the ChatGPT and say something like, I want to design this in Gemini. Give me a prompt that will make this design word standard. Word standard. I'll make this design word standard. I put that in, and before you know it, we have this coming up. So can you see the prompt? And see, this is quite better. So I'll just copy the prompt, and I'll come back to the Gemini, scroll down, and then just attach it to the first one that I did. So I've deleted this. I'll scroll up. Okay, click on done and fire. Let's see what we are going to have as a flyer. So Nano Banana designs very well. Not only does it edit, it also designs. So let's see what we are going to have as a flyer. APay. So this is what it gave us. Introducing APay, payment simplified, power amplified, download APay. This is very nice, right? So if we now decide that we want to add the picture of a person to this, yes, we can. To add a picture to this, all I have to do is to go back to my Gemini. Where's my Gemini? My Gemini is right here. So I'll just go ahead and add a picture. Go to my gallery and look out for the picture I want to really add. So where's the picture? The picture should be somewhere around here. I can use this picture. So I'll click on done, and I'll simply say insert this picture professionally as a model into this flyer. Now if you want to enjoy this, add as many flyers as possible. You can see that I added only 2. Add like 4 or 5 flyers, and then you have the best of designs that you can ever think about, right? That is how powerful this is when it comes to designing any kind of flyer. Just like I told you, you need to get the idea of what you are designing, understand, get the content, right? So look at this, right? I think you covered that part, right? So it's subject to testing, covered, and information. It covered and information. Please reduce the image size. And why did I use please? AI doesn't know please. Reduce the image size and place strategically. Alright. So I'll click on my done. And then let's see what happens. So we're trying to design a flyer for APay, not OPay this time. APay. And let's see what it turns out to be. Alright. So I think it tried a bit, but we would have corrected this at the beginning when we're designing. We should have given an image at the start. I was only trying to now input it into it. So the better you are at prompting, the more time you spend, the better your designs will come out. You can design any flyer, just like I told you. Whatever you feed the system determines your output. So next time I should give this 3, 4, 5 flyers, and then I'll get the best of results. I hope you got value from this. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and join AIfinder.Africa, where you can get access to tested and trusted AI tools without having to disturb yourself searching for tools all around. This is Africa's #1 AI discovery platform and education platform for AI. Get on board right now and do not miss out. See you guys right there.